Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here to share the final review of the National Scrapbook Day project. It turned out super duper cute. I'm getting a lot of glare from the window, but we're going to change the camera view so you can see how beautiful this turned out. Let's do it. Look at this beauty. So I left the cover plain because I'm thinking name right here across the top would be super duper sweet. Or you can put a frame with a baby's picture, either or. So that's the option for you. Again, this is Moving Parts Page Folio Style 7. This is the one we decorated on National Scrapbook Day, and I had a few areas to finish up. So I wanted to show you what I did. There is a final matting in the project folder, so you'll be able to watch that, and I go over a few things with you guys there, but I just wanted to share it here on YouTube. So remember, we had this side pocket right here, and this collection is Thank Heaven for Little Girls. There is a boy version, Thank Heaven for Little Boys, so you can pick up girl, boy, or both. There is a 50% off National Scrapbook Day sale still going on my site. For those of you who requested to have the sale go longer, I went ahead and did that. So thank you all very much for shopping with me. I appreciate it so much. Then we have this little pull right here. So I added this. We did the little paper clip back here so that it doesn't go all the way down. We can catch it. Remember that frame there. And then this pulls down. Get everything in frame right here. Look at how adorable that is. This is a functioning pocket. We can put 4x6 photo mats in here. That, see? So I'm going to use these photo mats just to demo in all of the other places. So that has the polished the closure, which I think it's my favorite closure. This and the flap closure are my favorite. So this comes down, of course, and then just to expand on the real estate in this album, I did these two flips here, which are perfect. Look at that. How fun are these? So the whole idea behind Moving Parts is double page scrapbook layouts that have moving parts. Typically with a layout, what you see is what you get right here. Room for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 photos. Still very generous. You would not have this interaction on the first page at all because everything goes into a sleeve. With Moving Parts, everything moves. As you saw, this came down, these two open. This back here is a pocket for photo mats or large photos. Look how cute that would look with some more photo mats sticking out the back. Right? Look at that. So everything moves, guys. Now this side here also moves. So we have room for the 4 photos here. You can do a larger photo if you like to. Then this comes down and then you get so much more space. Look at this. Look at this. You can do larger photos if you want to. I just went ahead and did the smaller ones. There's also a pocket back here for goodies. And then there's this space here for a large photo or collage of photos, and then this space right here. So I just love that. Let me show you the inspiration layout. What inspired this? So I want you to think about double page scrapbook layouts or 2 layouts that you put together like this. I put these 2 layouts together and I think they look fantastic together. I use this layout as my inspiration, so I just want to give the credit right here. As you can see on the screen is where I got this inspiration from, and I took this and created what you see right here in front of you. So it looks amazing. And if this were not enough, if these were not enough moving parts for you, I have more moving parts for you. So they all open up to reveal this sort of arrangement here that allows you to house more photos. So I love these projects because they're perfect for those of us who want to do something quick and easy as a gift, or if you don't take a lot of photos like me. I don't take a lot of photos. of a specific event. You can do large photos here, guys. Look at this. How adorable is this? If you don't take a lot of photos of a specific event, these types of projects are perfect because you get to display your photos in a creative way, but you don't have the bulk of a huge mini album. Do we love mini albums? Absolutely, we love mini albums. Am I going to stop making them? Never. But I love that I have this option. And look at this acetate pocket. How fun is this pocket? I just love it. Love it. I'm a sucker for acetate, and I know many of you are. Chime in the comments if you are a sucker for acetate. I love me some acetate. So when have you ever seen a double page scrapbook layout do this? Never. Look at, I want to show you the paper here. Look at how beautiful. Look at that, how gorgeous. Look at this. Just simply gorgeous. So fun little things in the pockets. This is a paper clip that we made right here so that I can tuck in there. Then this opens up, and I just want to keep it up because of the glare. There's another fantastic pocket there, and just all sorts of fun things, guys. Just such a fun way to display your memories. Really, really fun. You can glue this down or just tuck it in. I kind of like when things move and you have to tuck them back in. Just adds to that whole interactive element of the project, and I just enjoy it. But if you want to glue it down, absolutely go ahead and glue it down. It would be still perfect. So look at this, how beautiful. So this is style 7. If you pick up the National Scrapbook Day workshop, you get 5 of these, 5 different styles, and you will see them all here on YouTube. They're all gorgeous in their own right. They are completely different layouts in this folio finish that you see right here. Look at this slim profile, and how perfect is this? So if you love it, I will link you in the description box below to the paper and to the National Scrapbook Day workshop. I will also link Kathryn's folios down below. Kathryn of Kathryn Scraps made her own set of folios, which are amazing. So you get, if you get her workshop and my workshop, you get a total of 10, and they are interactive. They are interchangeable, excuse me. So you will be able to take pieces from there, pieces from here, so you can mix them up if you want to. You want to get creative and create an endless supply of designs of these moving parts layouts. So just think about it. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and let me know what you think of style 7. Until next time.